What's up? What's up? It's your girl. Welcome back to Real Talking Healthy Food. I'm back in the kitchen, man. So we're gonna talk about Nature Boy getting dragged, and we're gonna get into these stuffed sweet potatoes today. So I hope you're ready because, bitch, you're about to get your laugh on. It is so hilarious. You know I can't stand that bitch made ass nigga. So let's get into it. Cue the thing. All right, so last night I was getting ready to go to a party and everything with my sis. So I was hanging out with my sister, which we have not done that in a long ass time. And we had a good Saturday. So I was like, fuck that meal prep. So I told you I was going to drop it yesterday, but it was a nice day. And we enjoyed the day. And then went to a party, okay? And then I got locked out of my house. And then we went to the party. My bad. But it was a good time. We went to a stripper party. I was like, man, how did I used to do that? I'm so old now. Like, how the fuck I was struggling in them hills last night. But anyways, I still got it. Plus, I got me some numbers too, bitch. So I was like, I still pulling niggas, okay? And they wasn't scrubby niggas. I bagged a nigga in a Land Rover, girl. And the nigga that owns a small business, who? I still got it. So when I was getting ready for the party and stuff, girl, I ran across this video on my timeline and it was by who's this people? King Raw and Uncut. Shout out to you, okay? And it's called Has the Cat Got Your Tongue? Nature Boy sitting speechless as this girl commences to drag the fuck out of this nigga. So I am about to play said clip. Excuse all my laughter, but you're gonna hear me cracking the fuck up in the background. And I'm enjoying this so thoroughly because if you watch my live about Nature Boy before, I think that he's a demon. I think that that girl's gonna die, and I think they're gonna take them kids and put his black ass in jail where he fucking belongs. And that's just what I think. I may be right, I may be wrong. I don't give a fuck because I don't like him. And that's that. And it just sucks because he's such a handsome, gorgeous ass black man. Oh my God. He is so my type as far as physical appearance. Like he's tall, he's handsome, but as soon as he starts talking, it's shit. So anyway, let's roll this clip. Let's see y'all. Oh, I'm up here with the nature. Hello, nature boy. Oh, shit. Your skin looks really good. Except that crust around his mouth. Your skin looks great. I just want to start off by saying that I've been watching you for 4 years, long years, nature boy. I've seen you go through a lot over there in carbonation. And I must say that I've seen things and I've heard a lot of things, but I've seen you grow a lot also. I feel like you've learned a lot with this people coming in to your life. Coming into your life, you got to get to know certain people, and that's kind of hard. Getting to know certain different people and where they came from. I just have one question to you. And this is the only question that I had. I remember seeing a video on YouTube, and you were trying to say that women are men. Could you just explain that to me? I remember you saying that. I remember also seeing a video with you he is going bald up there. Fucked by a white man. So and I remember back in the day in New York, you were certain different people and where they came from. I just have one question to you. This is the only question that I had. I remember seeing a video on YouTube, and you were trying to say that women are men. And could you just explain that to me? I remember you saying that. I remember also seeing a video with you getting fucked by a white man. So and I remember back in the day in New York, you were a dancer for transgender. For men. So, can you explain that aspect of your life being
fucked by a white man, letting him put his finger in your butthole, and also fucking women over there in carbonation in their assholes. And also telling transgenders to come over there to carbonation so you can fuck them in their ass. And letting a white man in your ass. And stepping on women's face and beating on women. So can you explain that part of you? What is that like a demonic part? Or that porno video of that white man dressed as a doctor and as a patient was very nasty. So can you explain that part? Getting fucked in the ass by a white man dressed in a doctor. I don't want to. I just that's type of like I understand, but I don't understand that part of you. That part where you fucking women in their asshole and stripping in front of gay men and telling trans women to come over there and you find trans women prettier than some real women. So could you explain that part of you that I've never heard you talk about? Is that like a different side of you? Because that video of that white man sticking his finger in your butt was kind of like, whoa, I know his ass gotta hurt. Like for real, bro. And then saying transgenders look better than real women, saying real women are really men. I guess the part I don't understand, that's the Nature Boy that I don't hear you talk. I don't hear you talk about that, Nature Boy. I just want to know that side of you, the side of you that I see in that porn with you getting masculine, like. You know, you talk about you're a masculine man, but you let a white man fuck you in your butt or play with your booty. And you stepping on women's fucking heads and shit like that. Would you tell me what? Oh, I'm not mad. I mean, I would never deal with a man that got fucked in his ass by a white man or let a man tinkle with my balls. But his balls. But I just want to know what side of your boy that is.
That tinkle with his balls.
That right there is a whole other freak side of you, bro. That's a freak, bro. You freaky. You freaky. Then the white man played like a doctor. You played like a patient. So you just. And then you talk about white people and how black people need to stick together, but in carbonation, I remember seeing white women over there. So I'm just confused. What is it? Are you gay? Are you bi? What's going on with that? You don't want to talk about that, right? Because you're the God. You can't speak on that type of stuff. You have to shut the fuck up and listen to you. Nah. I want to know, do you fuck the young boys that you have, or the young men that you have over there? Do you fuck them too? While you group? I heard, this is what I heard, man. Boy, let me tell you what I heard. I heard that you be in there gang banging the shit out of them bitches, huh? You be slapping the fuck out of them bitches like, shut the fuck up and suck my dick and my balls and tinkle with my ass a little bit. Now, some of this stuff I've seen on,
how did he not
like
laugh?
That, but, I wasn't there, so I don't know. So, like, when you're like letting these bitches tinkle with your ass, do you say, I don't know. I just need to know that part of you, Nature Boy. I just need to know that part because that porno I've seen and that I have downloaded of you getting your ass by that white man, I'm just like, whoa. And then when I see that video talking about trans women are better than real women, and they look better than us, I'm like, oh shit, this motherfucker likes his ass played with. Ooh. Nature Boy like getting his ass played with. But you don't talk about that part, do you? When you stepping on women. What the fuck is you doing stepping on somebody's head? You a different type freak. You want to hold like I'm gonna step on this bitch head today, bitch. Step on your head, and then I heard that you over there fucking bitches. And then you ain't got that fucking abscess taken care of. But I thought that you was like you could heal all things, motherfucker. When that abscess started growing with you, motherfucker, nigga, them gums, you ran to the doctor, didn't you? You ran to that motherfucker, got those antibiotics, didn't you? But they over there, they carrying motherfucking chlamydia and shit like that over there. And herpes and shit, you won't get them no antibiotics, huh? They can't get cured, fuck that. But when you got that big ass access in your motherfucking, you say, oh my god, I'm going to the doctor's now, bitch. Y'all talking about? But I'm just saying though. Before you kick a girl out, right? The one that's in the hospital fighting for her life, you told her, you around me. You sat on that couch and said, somebody cash at me to get her around me. She ain't, And now all of a sudden you want her back there, don't you? Now because shit flipped, you want her back there. No, in that same energy, you don't want her back. You don't like her, right? Why the fuck you want her back there?
She don't like shit.
Why in the fuck do you want her back there? And I don't give a fuck about none of you, nothing that you think about it. Y'all probably over there playing with that man balls. So y'all niggas over there that's taking orders from that man, I don't give a fuck about what y'all say. Y'all can't belittle me or downplay me. I'll never be with a man that's fucking getting fingers put up in the asshole by a white man. I mean, you're a fine black brother, don't get me wrong. You losing your hair a little bit up there on the top, but your skin looking good. I mean, you're doing good on nigga, you're getting all these numbers on. But how does it feel to treat women and downplay women so bad like you do when and then you said, you know what really fucks me up, baby? You're so crazy with your fine ass. You said this. You said women, we should obey the man. We should obey y'all.
He a fine motherfucker though.
I thought we worked together. I thought the women and the men worked together. Why we gotta look up to you like you a fucking god? Who made you God? Huh? You talk about carbonation, but you on the phone using what we use here. Okay? You getting money from people what you need to survive here. But ain't nobody they working over there, they got a job over there. You loving these cash apps and all these things, ain't you? You loving that shit. That's why you're not prospering. Where the business is at? Nature boy. What are you building for them young men over there, Nature boy? You letting them bitches sit there and goggle your balls, and put their finger in your butthole and shit like that. This shit's sad as fuck. But you know what? I'm gonna pray for you, Nature boy. I'm gonna pray for you, bro. Because you need it, alright? But you'll find out you step fine. No more letting motherfuckers play your ass, though. No more stepping on women. That's done with that. If you're gonna be a freak, be a freak. Don't play your feel nobody, alright? Alright. Beautiful.
Bitch. That bitch dragged the fuck out of Nature Boy. That nigga was speechless. What can he say? What can he do? All he can do is get that crust from around his motherfucking mouth. I'm glad somebody read that fucking weirdo. So, I mean, what do y'all think, nigga? That nigga got dragged. She said playing tiddlywink with my booty. Or with my balls. Oh my god, why did she come through and read that nigga so harshly like that? Oh my god. So I want to know what y'all think about that drag that you just experienced. And let's get off into these sweet potatoes, shall we? All right, let's get off in these ingredients. We got sweet potatoes. Mine are a little overdone. Don't judge me. We got kale, green peppers, red onions, and garlic. What I'm about to do is saute this up. Now, I'm going to take one of the good ones and show you what you would do. But I think because I overcooked them, what was it yesterday? I overcooked them Friday night. Um, I don't know how it's going to turn out. Because you do need them a little bit firm. So I got one that's good enough here, okay? And all you're gonna do is scoop it out. So I'm gonna cut this circle. I'm just cut a circle here like this and scoop that middle out. These are very, very soft. I didn't know I was cooking so many things at once. Now I'm gonna take that out because I'm gonna use that for my mashed potatoes that we'll have for dinner. Just scoop out the inside. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. This is super easy and it don't take no whole lot. Okay. It's straight to the motherfucking point. Okay. Now yours will be a lot firmer than mine. Okay. You scoop that whole. Saute this up and put it in the middle. It's very straightforward. Okay. Maybe I need to start eating on my show. And then all I'm going to do is saute this, put it in the middle, and bake it again. That's it. And then I got some cornbread that I'm going to have with it that I made on Friday. And it's the regular ass Jiffy cornbread, okay? But what I do with my cornbread is I put kale, green peppers, and onions in my shit. Because I just can't do nothing just regular, okay? So that's it. I mean, you know my show is to give you ideas to cook. You know what I'm saying? This is for people who really know how to cook. So if you might need to Google, if you need to Google how to boil a sweet potato, then go ahead and start there, okay? But all you're gonna do is put this shit in the pan and let it simmer together, okay? Put the shit in the middle and put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. I mean, it is really straightforward and to the point. Now, so I hope you enjoyed that because I am about to enjoy some Ratchet TV. Now, let me know if you try this idea. I also have another one. Plus, I don't want to do all of them because they're kind of mushy. So I'm probably just going to eat them in whole. So I'm just going to show you that one, you know what I'm saying? And probably use some of them, for my mashed potatoes tonight because I didn't mean to do that. So it was not intentional because Friday night was cracking, okay? So my sister came through. We started doing shots, girl. And I was like, oh shit. So I forgot. So if you want another stuff, sweet potato. I got stuffed bell peppers, and I think I did a sweet potato one. And if I find it, I'll look at my videos and I'll put it up in the cards at the top. Okay. So, one more thing I wanted to show y'all what I'm gonna do for my breakfast is this is what I've been eating. I forgot to get pistachios. But anyway, I'm gonna have to go to Walgreens. Walgreens has the best deal. But I've been having this 2 bananas and 2 slices. And I use this for my smoothie. So what I do is once it's frozen, I fill it up with milk, pour it in the blender, pour it back in the cup. So all I'm gonna do right quick, I just wanted to show y'all this since I'm doing the meal prep. Girl, did you hear about Kirk Franklin blasting him because he got cussed out? Don't make no damn sense. Uh, so I don't know no child that ain't been cussed out by their parents. So I don't know. I don't know. He's a manipulative little son of a bitch for exposing, recording his father like that. That's hella disrespectful. And his father told him that if you keep disrespecting me, you gonna catch these hands. That's what's about to happen. Okay, so I put mine in the little sandwich bag. This is one that I've done already. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. About to do Friday. Stick them in the freezer like that, and you good to go. Then you ain't gotta do it every damn morning. I use these pineapples because I did not feel like cutting up the pineapple, but my bananas are organic, so I try to make sure of that. I just gently put them in the bag. Bam, on it. That's it. All you do. Pineapples on top. Yeah. Mhm. That's it. Squeeze the air out. Be good for the week. And you got your breakfast on deck all week. That's that. This is gonna be in the middle of the video, so it's gonna look a little weird. Boom, that's it. So that's how you get your breakfast cracking. So yeah. And then I did that because I'm trying to get this weight off me. It has been hard. And then I'm gonna eat that, and I eat like 2 handfuls of pistachios, and then that's my breakfast. For lunch this week, I'm doing lettuce wraps again. So, and I made my sauce, the same sauce that I make every week with the cashews, and I'll link that in the cards as well around this time frame. And then for dinner, what y'all saw, the stuffed potatoes, which I decided since they're soft, I'm just gonna have the sweet potatoes and the uh, greens, and then that cornbread that I showed y'all. So that's what I have for dinner, and then that's it. And then I just make sure I do my walks and get my ab workout in, and that's that. Back to the clear. So I will be finishing chapter 9 and chapter 10 tomorrow, and then we'll go back to business as usual um, with our reading groups where we read midnight, not midnight, I'm thinking about his finance, where we read The Coldest Winter Ever on Tuesdays and the medical apartheid on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Okay, so I hope I see you there. I'm gonna make up for it so we can stay on track Wednesdays and Thursdays, and we could start with chapter 11 on Wednesday. But we had a car landing in my front yard last Thursday, so I had to tend to that. What can you do? And if you was live there at the time, you heard it in real time. And the day before that, I had some technical issues. So hopefully, we don't have any problems this fucking week. Hopefully ain't no cars landed in my goddamn front yard, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys have a good weekend. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm out. Peace, love, and hair grease. Share if you care, share if you dare. Especially if you're a motherfucking Care Bear. Cue the theme song.